Hello and welcome to Everything Essentials. I am Afrina Hoque and on screen we have Neelam Medhi, and in today's video I'll give Neelam this glam look, so stay tuned. So first up we'll use the Khadi rose water and apply it on her face. We'll take some drops of the rose water in the cotton pad and apply it gently on the face. And also, the links of all the products are given in the description box, so please check it. As the moisturizer, we will use the VLCC Lavang moisturizer and we will apply it on her face. Now, as a primer, we will use the Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera gel and we will apply it on her face. For the foundation, we will use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 128, that is warm nude, and we will apply it on her face. And blend it. For blending, you can also use a beauty blender or your hands itself, but I wanted to try and blend it with a brush, so I'm doing that. We'll use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind as the concealer and apply it on her eyelids, under her eyes, on the bridge of the nose, the forehead, near the lips. We will blend it using a beauty blender because by now I have realized that it's easier and more effective than a makeup brush. And now we will use the Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact in the shade Ivory Fair 01, and by using a brush we will apply it on her face. Now we will use Miss Claire Waterproof Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 01. And I'll let Neelam draw the eyebrows as she is more comfortable by doing it herself. And for the eyeshadow, we will use the Wet n Wild Color Icon Eyeshadow 10 Pen Palette in the shade Rose in the Air. First up, we'll use the lighter shade as the base of the eye. Now we will use this brown color shade and we will apply this shade on the outer V of her eye. Now we will use this shimmery bronze color and we will apply it in the inner 1/3 of her eye. And now we will use the eyeshadow by Morphe and reapply and apply it again on the outer V of the eye to give it more definition. For the eyeliner, we will apply the Lakme Absolute Gloss Artist Eyeliner And for the mascara, we will apply the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Volume Express Mascara Waterproof, and the Lakme Iconic Kajal. And I'm sorry I don't have a single pic of the kajal. And now we are done with the eyes. And I'm so sorry I couldn't record it because I was stupid enough to forget to turn the camera on while doing the eyes. But nevertheless, we have the look. Now we will use the sugar lipstick in the shade Woodbine Nude, and we will apply it on her lips. And for the blush, I'm using this Miss Claire eyeshadow, which is a perfect substitute. By using a brush, we will apply it on her cheeks. We are done applying the blush, and this is the look that we get. As a highlighter, we will use the Wet n Wild highlighter. This highlighter is in the shade Blossom Glow, and now I'm applying it on the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, inner corner of the eyes, and in the cupid's bow. And as a finishing spray, I'm using the NK Perfection finishing spray. And I will spray it twice or thrice. And I will gently blend it all over her face using the Beauty Blender. And so, this is the final look that we get, guys. I hope that you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and please share this and help us grow. Thank you, and I'm sorry for all the errors, and I promise that I'll do better the next time. Thank you.